update, let's take a look at Bitcoin over here. And so Bitcoin does look like we have a WXY correction with the Y wave coming down to the 50% fib right over here. As you guys can see, we did bottom out here at the 50. And we also came down to the 100% fib, which is a common target for a Y wave, especially in crypto. You see how you have a 1-to-1 extension with no closure below the 1. And we also see Wyckoff reaccumulation. So there's Wyckoff distribution, reaccumulation, and Wyckoff accumulation. So there's 6 schematics in total. We do see the same thing we saw back in 2023. So if we go back to 2023, we had over 150 days of reaccumulation at mid-cycle. This was your preliminary supply, buying climax, automatic rally, secondary test, move down to extremes, your up thrust in phase B, and then you have a creek. So you notice how we creek within this wedge over here. We have a fierce drop down, back test of the wedge, one more drop, and then continuation. Okay, we see the exact same thing over here, right? We have our preliminary supply, buying climax, automatic rally, secondary test, move down to extremes, up thrust in phase B, and then we have a creek over here, fall fiercely out of the wedge, back test it, one more drop, and then continuation. Now usually before this continuation can go up a little bit in a more healthy manner, we would need to see a little bit of a pullback, or in other words, a partial decline. So you can even consider this like a bullish descending broadening wedge, right? And with a bullish descending broadening wedge, you usually see a advance towards trendline resistance and then a little bit of a throwback, right, for your last point of support before you have continuation, right? And it wouldn't, I mean, we could just keep going up here, right? If we can get a closure, back above 70,000, then there is a possibility we continue the melt up here. But on the 4-hour time frame, we do see 5 subwaves to the upside over here. Okay, so this is the 4-hour time frame. We'll drop down to the 30-minute time frame over here. We do see 5 subwaves up here from July 5th, so it wouldn't surprise me we come down for a C wave after finishing up this B wave. So it looks like we have 5 waves down here. We're printing an ending diagonal. Notice how the waves are overlapping here within this wedge. We come up and break out of this falling wedge-like structure to any of the fibs above, but you must be cautious at this region over here at 68,650 and 69,000, because if bulls are unable to get above this level, then it's likely we'll come down for a C wave towards the 38.2% fib at 63,200. Okay, just something to be aware of. If we do have a breakout of this ending diagonal that we see here, it's crucial for bulls to get a move above this region over here at 68,650 and 69,063. And it's also crucial that bulls stay above this 70.2% fib measured from this low up to this high, or in other words, our 23.6% fib measured from our July 5th low up to our local high on the 29th. Okay, so once you get over that level, then we can say that this actually here was our wave 1. This was our wave 2. And now we're within our third wave to the upside if we can get above this level, right? And this would be subwave 1 of 3, subwave 2 of 3, and then we have subwave 3 of 3. Okay, so crucial for bulls to get above this region over here in order to have that bullish scenario play out. But so far it looks like we are coming up for a little bit of a move to fill some inefficiency. As you can see here, we do have bullish divergence on the 30-minute time frame as we're printing this ending diagonal and making lower lows. So it wouldn't surprise me we see a move up here right, to any of these fibs. But it's crucial we get over these two levels over here. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the Bitcoin video. Don't forget, I still do think that the low is in over here on July 5th, because we're clearly in an impulsive move to the upside, and we do have a confirmed uptrend. Let's go back to the historic chart here on Bitcoin. Let's go back to the daily time frame. And as we can see, we only have 4 waves, right? This is your wave 1, your wave 2, your third wave, fourth, and then it's likely we come up for a 5th here. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.